What's up everybody, Nick here with Tackform. I'd like to introduce you to our Universal Spring-Loaded Tablet Cradle. Here's a quick overview of all its features, which will help you determine if this is the right mount for you. It's designed to work securely with any tablet on the market. This includes everything from the iPad mini all the way up to the iPad Pro, as well as all of the Galaxy tablets on the market. So whatever tablet you have, we have you covered. Our 1-inch deep brackets provide a secure hold, even on the bulkiest heavy-duty cases on the market. Its innovative design makes it extremely easy to insert and remove the tablet from the cradle. Another bonus to having adjustable brackets is that we can reposition the legs so it doesn't interfere with any buttons, ports, or speakers on the tablet. As you can see on the iPad mini, we're able to adjust the legs to make sure they're out of the way of the speakers. And in this case, we want to move the arm to move away from the power button. These legs are held in a tongue and groove channel, but we also provide rubber stoppers to secure the legs into place. The beauty of this cradle is you can hold the tablet either in landscape or portrait mode and still get a secure hold. On real narrow tablets such as the iPad mini, you're going to want to hold the tablet from the top and bottom. On larger tablets such as the iPad Pro, you're going to want to hold the cradle from the sides. But as you can see, it still has a very secure hold on the tablet, and it's still easy to get the tablet in and out. If you're having any problems getting your tablet mounted securely into this cradle, contact us immediately and we'll gladly walk you through the appropriate setup for your device.